step we take, we chase the prize. Roots run deep, like a tree so strong. In this life, yeah, we right where we belong. Unity's the strength, together we thrive. Keep the fire burning, this is how we survive. The harder the struggle, the brighter our light. The more we fight, we just elevate our height. Grass may be green, but the journey ain't clear. Still we push on through, with pride and no fear. Shout out to the ancestors, guiding the way. Gratitude in our hearts, every single day. The harder the struggle, the brighter our light. The more we fight, we just elevate our height. Yeah, elevate our height.
Through the rain, through the storm, in every moment we stay warm, chasing dreams with every beat. Oh,
the harder the struggle, the brighter our light. The more we fight, we just elevate our height. Turn your bright in the eye, no trace me, no sign to divide. I'm still up in me tight.
Listen up now, time to rise up. Completing tasks, yeah, we keep it real. Stay strong, don't lose your way. Feel the rhythm, let it guide your soul. That's right, we strive in the zone. You know what's good. We here to break it down and make it flow. Just hold tight, it's about to ignite. Make sure you get it ready for the show. Keep moving and keep proving, don't stop now. Well, let the rain take you, come join the fight. I feel the beat, the road and just the fun around. Go chase your dreams and let your spirit try. Step up to the mic, want to feel the sound. We got the vibes that make the world go round. Inspiration flows, the night and it's high. Focus on the journey, reach for the sky. Let that energy is contagious. You see pulls from see the shining sea right here. We back down that on the free and let this boat that the pickle moments cheering on the fly. Moments cheering on the fly. So cheering on the fly. And keep moving and keep proving, don't stop now. We'll set up and take you, come join the vibe. I feel the beat, the Lord and turf the fun around. We'll chase your dreams and let your spirit thrive. Keep moving and keep on. Keep moving as honestly fit pride.